everyone. Today we are doing this super pretty smoky purple eye inspired by Alyssa Marie Artistry on Instagram. That's my girl. First, I'm just prepping my lips with my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It's super moisturizing. It is a sleeping mask, but I do like to wear it while I'm doing my makeup. Just super moisturizing. I'm priming my lids with my Urban Decay Eden Eyeshadow Primer Potion as always, and I'm using my Pastel Goth palette. I'm using the two shades Meow and Dope. I'm first going in with Meow and just using that as my transition shade, and then taking a small pointy crease brush and applying Dope right in the crease and the outer corner and really blending that into the inner corner, and then taking that first brush and just smoothing out all the edges. To really give some dimension to this look, I'm taking my Star Crushed Minerals eyeshadow in Audacious Plum. It's a very deep purple, and I'm just applying that right in the crease with an even smaller pointy crease brush, applying that on the outer corner and just blending that into the inner part of my eye. Then I'm taking that brush we used with Dope, I believe, the darker purple, and I'm just kind of blending everything out, going back in with a fluffy brush and really blending it out even more. Then I go back in with the Star Crushed Minerals Audacious Plum and add some more depth to it. It's just a lot of layering to this look, and I wanted it to have so much depth with all these purples. I just wanted to make it really, I don't know, purpley. Then I'm priming my face with my Primed and Peachy from Too Faced, and moving back on to finish the eyes, I'm using my Moonchild Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Purple Horseshoe, and I am misting it with my Mist and Fix from Makeup Forever, putting that on my lid, really packing it on there. And then I'm taking my Star Crushed Minerals Starlit Liquid in 01, I believe, and I'm putting that on my lid and using my finger to tap it out and move the product around a little bit. I am taking it above my crease a tiny bit. And then I'm using my LA Splash Cosmetics Glitter Diamond Liner, and I'm putting that right on top just to make it super extra sparkly. And again, I'm kind of going over the crease with this. I'm not making like a cut crease or anything with it. I'm just making a super sparkly, smoky purple eye. Purple is the Pantone color of the year. Sorry, ultraviolet is the Pantone color of the year. Then I'm taking my Basket Case Kat Von D liner, and I'm just using this to line my lower lash line and lower waterline. I also use it to tightline my upper lash line as well. And then I start going back in with that Star Crushed Minerals purple and blending that black out and really smoking it out from the inner to the outer corner and making sure everything's connected. And adding some more purple to the outer corner if need be. And then I'm taking the color Dope again with that same crease brush, and I'm really smoking it out even more. Don't be afraid to get too smoky with this. Taking my Kat Von D foundation, this is what I'm using as my base today, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. I use the shade Light 46 Cool. This is my actual shade tone. I usually like to go a little bit more pale than I actually am, because that's just what I like to do. But this shade actually matches me pretty perfect. And then I'm taking my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in Vanilla and putting that in the usual areas like my under eyes, my chin, my cupid's bow, my nose, my forehead, and then I'm blending all of that out. I really have been liking doing the concealer after I do my under eye because it helps me not go all the way up to my lash line. Because when I go up to my lash line, it makes things look cakey and creasy, so I've been doing it afterwards. And then I'm using my Neutral Set Powder from Nye to set everything. I take that big fluffy brush and just kind of smoke everything out in case it got lost in that foundation and concealer application. And then I'm taking Purple Horseshoe again and highlighting my brow bone in my inner corner. And I'm also doing a little bit on the bottom here. That's what Alyssa did in her picture, so I thought that was kind of cute. It's kind of like a highlight, but on your eyes, like a little bit up higher than you would normally do the highlight. I thought it was cute, so hey. I'm also adding some of that Starlit Liquid in the inner corner as well and on the outer part. You can never have too much glitter, okay? For my liner today, I'm using my Nye Liquid Eye Liner. It's just a black liquid liner, and I'm just putting that on my eye to frame my eyes. I'm not doing a cat eye shape. You could totally do a cat eye with this if you wanted to, but I just wanted to let the shadow be the star of the show today. For lashes, I'm using my Sephora Hypnotize lashes. No big surprise. I love these lashes. I buy so many pairs of these. They're bomb. My favorite. And then I'm just adding some more of my Roller Lash Mascara to blend my natural lashes and my falsies together. For contouring, I'm using the same contour kit I typically use, which is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. Just chiseling out them cheekbones, also my jawline and my forehead per usual. I also did my brows. I used my Benefit FoolProof Brow Powder, and I used my Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade and Granite and Clear Brow Gel. It's the same thing I typically do. Let me know if you want a brow tutorial, like an updated one, but I do have one on my channel if you go a little ways back. Then I'm contouring my nose, and to make it look soft and nice and not too harsh, I just blend it out a little bit with my Beauty Blender with the excess foundation that's on it. For blush, today I'm using this dirty Tarte blush. This is the one in Paaarty, the one that you get in the Sephora birthday gift that I got last year. It was last year's gift. I feel like blush is super important, guys. If you do a contour, make sure to add blush. I know a lot of people are scared of blush. Even when you're pale, you should totally wear blush. It just pulls everything together and makes it look nice and uniform and adds some color back in your face. Then I'm taking that same purple horseshoe color and just highlighting my nose and my cupid's bow a little bit. I don't really like to highlight my cheeks too much, not gonna lie. For lips, I'm mixing together a few shades. I am using Rosette Architect Lip Sculptor, which is just a lip liner from Tarte Cosmetics. It's super pink. And then to fill them in, I used my Tarte Cosmetics Wickedly Divine Liquid Lipstick, and that was an Evil Darling. So it's very pink. I wanted to not just do a super nude color with this eye, I wanted to keep it pretty bright and fun. And then to make more of an ombre effect, I added Milkshake from Anastasia Beverly Hills right in the center of the lips, used my finger to blend it out a little bit, and then took that lip liner and just went around the edges again to create more of that ombre effect. Sprayed my face with some Kat Von D setting spray like crazy, girl. I go crazy with the setting spray. And that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.